Welcome everyone. My name is Nathan Andrew Jackson, and today we're going to explore AI beyond the basics. We're not just talking about what AI can do, we're looking into how you can use it effectively, understand its real world applications right here in Sri Lanka, and see how it's reshaping entire industries. Over the next 15 to 20 minutes, we'll cover six key areas that will change how you think about artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Here's what we will cover today. First, prompt engineering, the art of communicating effectively with AI. Then we'll explore ChatGPT beyond simple questions and answers, while revealing eight powerful applications you might not know about. We'll examine face recognition technology being implemented by the Sri Lankan police, discuss both its benefits and concerns. I'll show you how AI can create entire presentations in minutes, and we'll then look at AI's role in disruptive innovations across five cutting edge fields. And finally, we'll wrap it up with key takeaways you can implement immediately. Let's start with prompt engineering. This concept is based on insights from Professor Hiran Amrasekar and extensive research in the field. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? In simple terms, it's the practice of crafting effective instructions for AI models. Think of it as learning to speak AI's language. The difference between a vague request and a specific actionable command can mean the difference between getting a generic unhelpful output and receiving exactly what you need. Uh, Prompt engineering is genuinely the key to unlocking the full potential of ChatGPT and other AI tools as well. It transforms AI from novelty into a genuine productivity powerhouse. To make prompt engineering accessible, I want to introduce you to the CLEAR framework. This is a simple acronym that will revolutionize how you interact with AI. C stands for context, provide relevant uh, background information. Don't assume that AI knows your situation. L is for length, specify the desired length of the output. Do you want a tweet, a paragraph, or a full article? You need to be specific. E means examples, show AI what you want. Co- Concrete examples will dramatically improve the result. A represents audience, define who this content is for. Writing for executives differs vastly from writing for students. R is role, assign AI a persona or a character, make it make it a marketing expert, a teacher, or a technical consultant. Let me show you the difference. The difference is this makes a bad prompt would be right about marketing, the vague, and this that's vague and will give you a generic result. A good prompt using clear would be act as a digital marketing expert, write a 400 word LinkedIn post for startup founders about content marketing ROI, include three practical tips, and use professional yet conversational tone. Do you see the difference? The second prompt gives the AI everything it needs to deliver exactly what you want. Once you mastered clear, here are five advanced techniques that to take your prompting to the next level. Chain of thought. Ask AI to think step by step. This improves reasoning and problem solving outputs. Few few short learnings. Provide 2 to 3 examples for your desired output format. This teaches AI how your preference would without lengthy explanations and constraint explanations. Then constraint settings define what not to include. Sometimes it's easier to say don't use jargons or avoid technical terms that than to explain what you do want. Iterative refinement built on previous responses. Don't start from scratch. Ask AI to modify and improve its earlier outputs from what you've been asking before. Format specifications request specific structures and like tables, bullet points, or numbered lists. This ensures the output is immediately usable. These techniques turn AI from a simple question and answering tool into a sophisticated collaborator. Now let's explore what ChatGPT really do when you move beyond basic questions and answers. I'm going to share 8 powerful applications that most people never utilize. First, coding development and debugging. ChatGPT can write complete applications in Python, JavaScripts, and other languages. It can debug your existing codes, explain what's causing errors, and even generate SQL queries for plain English. You don't need to be a programmer to benefit. You can describe what you want, and ChatGPT will build it. Second, data analysis and visualization. Upload your data, and ChatGPT can analyze it, identify trends, and create visualizations and charts, and generate insights from raw data. This transforms hours of manual work into minutes of AI assisted analysis. Third, content creation. This is perhaps the most useful application ChatGPT can generate. ChatGPT can generate multiple social media posts for a single article, create email campaigns with A or B test variations, and develop complete blog posts. It's having a content team at your fingerprints, basically fingertips. Fourth, learning and tutoring. ChatGPT creates personalized study plans, generates practice questions, and with detailed solutions, and explains complex topics with different difficulty levels. Whether you're studying for an example or learning a new skill, AI becomes a personal tutor available 24/7. With fifth, we will look into business process automation. It generates templates for contracts and proposals, creates standard opening operating procedures and documentations, drafting meetings, agendas, and minutes. This eliminates repetitive administrative work and ensures consistency across your organization as well. Sixth, creative brainstorming. Like ChatGPT generates business name ideas, checks domains availabilities, creates marketing campaign concepts, and develops product features and roadmaps. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. Seventh, research and summarization. Summarize lengthy documents into bullet points, extract key points from research papers and create literature reviews. This is invaluable for students, researchers, and business professionals. Finally, eighth, role playing and simulation. Practice job interviews, presentations. Presentation simulates difficult conversations before they happen. Practice language with You can practice language with native speaker simulation. This and test business pitches with AI acting as a critical investor. This practical preparation that builds real skills in real life. Let's shift gears and let's talk about something happening right here in Sri Lanka. Face recognition technology being implemented by our police force. What exactly is face recognition? This is a system that identifies individuals from digital images or videos. It works by analyzing facial features as biometric data, creating a unique face print for each person, just like our fingerprints. Then comparing that against a database of known faces, it's primarily used for surveillance, access control, and identification verifications. The process involves five steps: detection, the system locates faces in images or videos; alignment, it normalizes face position and size; features extraction, it defies key facial landmarks; comparison, it matches against the database; and verification, finally, it confirms identity uh, with a confidence score. For law enforcement, the advantages are significant. That's There's rapid identification of suspects and missing persons. The system provides 24/7 surveillance for public spaces without fatigue. It enhances security at airports, ports, and borders where human monitoring might miss threats. This it provides the digital evidence for investigations that's more reliable than eyewitness testimony. There are real-time alerts when wanted individuals are detected, and it dramatically reduces the need for manual monitoring, freeing officers for other duties. However, we have to remember everything has a disadvantage and concerns as well. There is the invasion of privacy. Constant surveillance changes the nature of public spaces. There is potential for abuse and political misuse, especially without proper oversights. Accuracy issues remain a problem. False positive can wrongly implicate innocent people, while false negative can let actual criminals slip through. Research has shown bias against certain ethnic groups, which particularly concern in diverse society. There is often a lack of transparency in data usage. Citizens don't know when they've been tracked or how their data is stored. Implementation of and maintenance costs are high, which might divert resources from other needed areas. And finally, there's a limited legal framework in Sri Lanka specifically governing this technology. This is a powerful tool, that requires careful ethical consideration and strong regulatory oversight as well. Let me share something that might save you countless hours. Have you ever been asked to give a presentation with little or no preparation time? Here is a real scenario. Now we are going to talk about how AI powered presentations work, and let's look into the scenario. Imagine you're asked to give a talk on digital marketing for SMEs. You have no preparation time, no existing materials, but need 6 to 10 slides quickly. What's the solution? Use ChatGPT for instant creations. Let me show you the exact prompt I used. So I went ahead and said create an outline for 10 slides, a 10 slide presentation on digital marketing strategies for small businesses in Sri Lanka. Include the following: title slide, for the title slide, current digital landscape, 5 key strategies, one per slide, budget considerations, tools and resources, call to action, and call to action. For each slide, provide title, 3 to 5 bullet points, and a practical example relevant to Sri Lanka's SMEs. It literally took 2 minutes. ChatGPT generated a complete structured presentation outline with locally relevant examples. You then take that outline, paste it into your presentation software, and some visuals, and you're ready to present. What used to take hours to make now takes minutes. This isn't about being lazy, it's about being efficient and focusing your energy on delivery and insights rather than formatting and structures and all that. Now let's explore AI is how AI is creating disruptive innovations across 5 cutting edge fields. These examples show AI isn't just improving existing processes, it's fundamentally transforming entire industries. In biotechnology, AI is revolutionizing drug discovery by predicting molecular interactions, including research and development time from 10 years down to just 2 to 3 years. AlphaFold solved a 50-year-old protein uh, folding challenge that stumps scientists for decades. AI optimizes cri- cris- CRISPR gene editing, marketing genetics treatments more precise, and it enables truly personalized medicine by analyzing individual genetics for custom treatments. The impact this made was having faster cures, dramatically reduced costs, and precision healthcare that treats you as an individual, an ad- not an average. In quantum computing, AI finds optimal quantum algorithms, improves uh, quantum bit stability through machine learning, error correction, and combines with quantum computers to discover new materials and model complex molecules. For drug simulations, uh, the impact is exponential computing power for AI training. These technologies accelerate each other. AI in renewable energy. AI balances grid supply and demand in real time, making clean energy more reliable. Machine learning Machine learning improves solar and wind forecastings. So we know exactly how much power will generate. AI optimizes battery charging and discharging for energy storage. And in smart homes, AI reduces energy consumption by up to 30%. The result there is more efficient and renewable energy systems that can actually compete with and replace fossil fuel. In autonomous vehicles, computer vision powered by AI interprets road conditions, signs, and obstacles. Neutral networks handle complex traffic scenarios better than human reflexes. AI finds the fastest and safest routes, and predictive maintenance prevents vehicle failure before they happen. The impact is profound. 94% of accidents are caused by human error. So, autonomous vehicles could save millions of lives and dramatically reduce traffic congestions as well. In space exploration, AI pilots spacecrafts without waiting for Earth communication. Critically, when signals take minutes or hours to travel, machine learning process petabytes of telescopes data, finds patterns humans would miss. AI identifies water and minerals on other planets, guiding where we should explore, and it optimizes trajectories and experiments for maximum scientific return. AI enables deep space missions and accelerates discoveries that expand human knowledge. Here's the crucial insights. AI isn't just one disruptive technology, it is the inspiration and acceleratant for all others. So every emerging technology becomes exponentially more powerful when combined with AI. AI accelerates research, development, and optimizes across every field. In today's intelligence age, AI amplifies human innovation rather than replacing it. This is why understanding AI matters regardless of your field. It's the universal multiplier that will transform your industry. So, we have come to the final slide, the key takeaways and conclusion. Let me leave you with five key takeaways. First, master prompt engineering to unlock AI's full potential. The clear framework and advanced techniques we discussed will immediately improve your result. Second, recognize ChatGPT does far more than just answer questions. It's a genuine productivity multiplier across coding, content creation, analysis, and many more. Third, understand that face recognition offers real security benefits but demands careful ethical consideration and strong regulatory frameworks, especially here in Sri Lanka. Fourth, AI know that AI can create presentations and content in minutes or hours. This frees you to focus on insights and deliveries. And finally, remember that AI is the universal accelerant for every emerging technology. Whether you work in medicine, engineering, business, or education, AI will transform your field. The question isn't whether AI will impact your work. The question is whether you'll be prepared to utilize it effectively. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to take questions, and if you'd like to continue this conversation and learn more about various topics, my contact details are on screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.